Hi, my little viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will tell you why I blog and what's the reason in it. For most people who really know me, I really have a short memory. I don't know. Maybe it worsened due to my CS section to my little one. When I get old, I would watch my blog while sipping into my hot coffee. Of course, with my Papa Bok. Also, I believe I have a much story to tell. I even dreamed that my story would be in MMK.
Me and loving me tonight. Kamukha ko siya, no? Si Daddy Espanto. Pogi. Kaya pala din siya kumakanta. Nag-iba na yung boses niya eh.
Strong woman daw, Bongsu.
Mawawala yung power niya pag nailang siya, di ba?
Thank you so much to all the frontliners, to our barangay, who religiously give us the relief goods.
Man!